President Buhari entered 2016 with high hopes and expectations, the same way many Nigerians did. Like an eagle, he focused on the tripod on which the administration stands, beginning with security.
Say no to shakeout.
Nigerian soldiers and their commander-in-chief celebrate the fall of Sambisa Forest, the major stronghold of Boko Haram. The reason is obvious.
If there is no security, nothing can work.
Even his lieutenants beat their chest that the president has done well, describing the fall of Boko Haram as a Christmas gift to Nigerians.
We can say that what has happened in 2016 is a mopping up process. But don't forget that the mopping up process can be as very important as the actual shooting process. So mopping up had been taking place throughout this year, and we have got to the final stage of that with Camp Zero falling.
In 2016, Nigeria plunged into recession. Oil price plummeted and vandalism of oil pipelines reigned supreme. The president and his team tried very hard to exonerate themselves from the blames, heaping it on past administrations.
We did not and are not responsible, this administration, for the current economic situation we find ourselves in. We are actually a rescue team.
The president also pleads with Nigerians to be patient with the administration, blaming his predecessors for Nigeria's woes.
I don't know how long it will take me to recover from the shock.
A cross-section of Nigerians cry out on the streets.
We should forget about the blame game. He has come on board and he must do something. Nigeria is in his hand. No matter what happened, the economy of this country is in his hand. He has no excuse. There is no justification. There are so many reasons to fail, but there is no justification for failure.
It appears the present government came into power without preparation.
Whether a bad leader, a good leader, let us encourage him, let us support him.
In 2016, the fight against corruption was intensified. The president blew the whistle over budget padding, a scandal that nearly ruined the relationship between the executive and the legislature.
I was head of state for 20 months initially. I never heard that word padding until this year. The technocrats just allow the government to make its noise, go and make presentation to the National Assembly, so they will remove it and put their own.
More recovery of stolen funds were recorded in 2016.
In the coming year, we would be utilizing 280 billion naira of the recovered funds to support the incoming budget.
An interesting passing year for the presidency, looking ahead to a brighter future and a prosperous 2017. Chukuma Onwekusi, Channels Television News.
Once more, congratulations for coming out in one